Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Mazda 3. Stock number is 18M272A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You do have Firestone tires. Taking a look inside at the cloth interior. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your manual transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.